Are you getting the picture that everything's backwards and upside down here? The private international law, once the Constitution got inverted so that the public now became nothing more than a restatement of military government, the public assumes that you're going to operate as a maritime vessel to do your commerce. That's why they gave you a straw man. Your straw man is your vessel to operate on. And on private international commerce under the law of the sea, they've given you the tools you need to function. The patriots immediately object to that and say, well, our nation was created under the law of the land. We don't need a vessel. We can exist as a living man or woman. But remember, Hollywood is always telling you the truth. And Kevin Costner's Waterworld told you there's a presumption today that land exists somewhere. In other words, the common law. But according to the principles of the mariners, that's only a rumor that law exists on the land, that everybody is functioning on the high seas, and that there is no land anywhere. Are you getting the picture that everything's backwards and upside down here? Because
Really,
we're
Matt?
under the law of the sea instead of the law of the land. Now, you could object that, argue it, and fight it all you want. It isn't going to change the precept upon which everybody's operating. So you have to get your remedy styled through the presumption of the law of the sea, which is what those public courts are, but you're still maintaining the maxims and the remedy of law of the land if you know where to go get it. In essence, she had the remedy that we're giving you to go back to your remedies of the republic in order to put in shape your remedies coming from the law of the land. And then you've got to translate those remedies into the law of the sea and make them appear in the public maritime courts in order to get your ultimate remedy.
And isn't this a beautiful game? It's merely just contract law. How about just straight contract law and you get to be and do and make it whatever you want? It doesn't get better than this. It's the best.